Dwarf, welcome back po dito sa Ani Munting Channel. So ngayon, magpapanggap tayo ng isang Koreano unano. So, tara, so na sa video.
Ayo. 안녕하세요. I'm Koreano.
I don't understand.
I'm from Korea. Urusibira si fry Q, right? Q at Kuro.
Ano sabi mo? Bakit? Ano sabi mo? Ano sabi mo?
Then in. Chura gaya acha.
I don't understand.
Huwag ka na mag-Ingles.
English.
I'm looking for in.
In?
Yeah.
City Star. This way. Then your turn. Wait. City Star. Building.
Where is it?
Yeah, this way. Then go there. You see the building City Star.
It is the
Ang galing mo pala dyan ah. Hindi ko alam ah.
Kira five. Kira yun ibu ko.
Don't understand English.
I want to go in because I want to meet my girlfriend here. Then I want juk 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 you know juk
No.
Pati nga bulag, pinasasamantalahan mo eh.
okay. Thank you for your kindness. Okay, kita. Ano sa'yo? Okay, go. There you go. Bye. Okay, kita. Ano sa'yo? Sa Ursiga. So, Koreano.
Wala.
Do you speak English?
Nakasabot na ng
We're looking for in.
English daw.
In?
In?
Yeah. Where's the level up here?
Ay, ito.
Ang galing mo pala dyan ah. Hindi ko alam ah.
Yeah.
There. Over there.
Where?
Over there in the
Can I go with you?
No.
Why?
That's my one. Listening.
What are you talking about?
Huh?
What are you talking about?
One. Busy me. I can't. We're so busy.
Parang may problema ka.
So this is you're on work
No.
because he's my friend and I want to in. I want to go in level up.
Ano ka, bakla?
Over there. And one. Asan ito? Di ba po? Nakansam si
He's gay.
Okay.
Can you help me?
Over there. Yeah. Just ask the person out there.
Who?
Whoa.
Pagsipilo ka ha. Dilaw na ipin mo.
The person out
Tell me the name.
I can't understand.
Pero wala ko kabalog ang hindi.
Sama na! Nakamasama pa! Ay! Oh my God! Grabe na na! Talaga
Todos por dos kita.
ba?
Alam ko.
Talaga ba? Seryoso? Oh my God!
Excuse me. Can I ask for something? Ay, sorry. My bad.
Ikaw ang luko-luko.
We are Koreano. We're from Korea. 혹시 What's here?
What's your?
In. Level up. Level up. Level up.
Level up?
Maybe. Level up. I want meet my girlfriend here. I want jug ah. Wow. You know what jug ah? What? What is the meaning?
Jug jaha? Jug jaha? Jug jaha?
Yeah. Jug ah. You know what is that? What does that mean? Where Colorado? I want to meet my girlfriend here. Yeah, where's your girl? Where in Curia, level up.
Level up. Up ka? Outside.
Can you go with me?
Oh my God.
You. That pretty girl.
Oh, Sil, pretty girl.
Yeah. I want you to date my birthday. Aduh, sebenarnya Trump Koreano, Unano.
Baliw ka yata eh.
Are you sure?
Terang lebih tadi. Urus kiri, kiri gak cengku aja. Urus kiri, siapa yang suka sah? Urus kiri kan apa? Orang Koreano.
Siguro, umiral siguro yung kadimonyo ng aking kamay. Gumalaw.
Koreano. What is para ba yan siya? Level up.
Level up?
Yeah.
Level up.
Ay.
Straight. And then,
Kaya to pili ka mo?
National Highway.
Harus zero.
Level up.
Ay, sih.
Sama.
Serius ya.
Bro, level up mo eh. Sama.
Parang may problema ka.
Harus serius ya. Harus serius ya.
Sama ko dito. Sama ba?
Oh,
Dalawa tayo sama. Pilas man ang buwanga mo, ha?
ay, siap. Harus zero.
Kita.
Harus zero. Harus zero. Harus zero.
Talak.
Harus zero. Harus zero.
Oh, ini. Oh.
Oh ya. Oke. Harus gini ya. Harus gini bro. Harus gini ya. Harus ya. I'm Koreano. Harus ya.
15 ang kilo. Binangay.
Harus ya. Just beri aja. Harus ya bila.
Ha? What? Kinse? Fish? 15 per kilo.
I don't understand. I'm free just get it try. I'm Koreano.
Banana.
I'm from Korea.
Yes. It's banana. 15 per kilo.
I am looking for brown banana.
Brown banana?
Yes, brown banana.
I don't know brown banana. It's takakan.
Oh no, I don't eat that. Brown banana. I want brown banana.
I have no brown banana.
Brown banana like banana of Koreano banana. A little banana, brown banana.
No.
Oh, where is the in here?
In?
Yeah.
The City Star. They have in there.
Level up.
Level up?
Yeah.
I don't know. Level up?
Can I go with you? Can I go with you?
I have. You there in City Star. You have in there.
What?
City Star lodging house.
Whoa, City Star, like City Star beside the moon?
No, superstore.
No. That's very cool. Yeah, try. Here's sure, give me that.
Pero you can see there City Star.
Risking Arabia, yeah, sure.
I can understand.
I'm Koreano.
Yes, I can understand.
Tequila deh.
Yawa.
Sorry deh, black.
Ano tadi po dili man inaong Korean.
Ay, babate, biar letak betul.
So yohohon mga ka-dwarf, maraming salamat sa panonood ng aming video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. At sa mga bago pa lang napadpad dito sa aming munting channel ay huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at pakiclick na rin ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated kung may bago kaming video. So hanggang dito na lang. Pero may shoutout lang ako mga ka-dwarf. Isa po siyang number 1 fan ng ating YouTube channel na si Kenneth TV. So subabayan nyo ang channel niya. Kung gusto nyo bisitahin nyo. At hanggang dito na lang. Hanggang sa sunod na video. Bye-bye.